Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "My example and the example of the thing with which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commissioned me is like that of a man who came to his people and said, O my people, I have seen with my own eyes an armed force of the enemy, and I am an open warner, so you must save yourselves." A group of his people thereupon obeyed him and escaped during the early part of the night, whereas the other group belied him and stayed where they were till the morning. Early in the morning, the troop made an onslaught on them, killed and routed them. So this is the example of him who obeys me as well as the true message, religion, I have brought, and the example of him who disobeys me and belies the true message, religion, I have brought. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5913.